Welcome to IKEA. First walking vlog. Okay, let's go. Looking for a new shelf. Because I need one. Walk down here. Okay, we'll walk through the kitchen. I'm thinking shelf. I don't want sofa. Let's see. Shelf. Let's look at a shelf. What's nice? This. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna get this one. Made a choice after a long time. So aisle 5, location 13. Aisle 5 is this way. Follow me. Aisle 5 right here. Location 13. Oh, we need a trolley though. I will get one. Let's look at it first. 13. Okay. Okay, we'll get a trolley. Come, we'll get a trolley. And we'll get this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll do this. So we'll get the bottom one. Let's get this out. We got the shelf. So we're gonna do express checkout. We get express VIP line. So I'll show you guys. IKEA. We go to the IKEA app. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it says my name. So we're gonna click here. We're gonna click.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
I can't see the screen because you're moving. Yeah, let's just.
Okay. Yeah. IKEA. So you don't have to wait in line. So we scan it. We got. Oh, what color is this? White. You think white? Okay, we'll go white then. Let's collect. Click this until the total price comes up. 89. Store checkout. Then the QR code comes up. We go to checkout. Come, let's go.
But I mean, if you
Okay, let's go. We have to be quick because 5 minutes. Well, let's see. You see there's a line there? You see? Look at that. I have access to express checkout. This people waiting. Okay, see if we have access. So, what I'm gonna do is bring this closer and just scan the QR code like that. And what it will come up. It comes up, so I have to go use a gift card. Continue to payment. Wait, what? I'll just continue. Don't need to. We'll do a gift card first since we have a gift card from the old one. So scan gift card. The remaining is 41 bucks.
It's not bad.
Okay, after technical difficulties. Okay. And the receipt should come up. Okay, done. We'll go. Go here. Then. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We'll go this way. So many cars right now. Have to be careful. Just wait for this RAV4 to go, maybe. Yeah. Okay, we'll go. Let's go. We got a van because can't fit in the car, so whatever.
Thanks for watching.